If you want quick access to your tasks without opening the app every time, TickTick Widgets on Android make things much easier. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use TickTick Widgets on Android step by step in 2026. First, make sure you have the TickTick app installed and logged into your account. Widgets only work properly when your app is active and synced in the background. Next, go to your Android home screen. Tap and hold on an empty space until the customization menu appears. Now select the **widgets** option. This will show you a list of all available widgets on your device, including TickTick. Scroll through the list and find the TickTick widget section. You may see different widget sizes like task lists, quick add, or calendar views. Choose the widget that best fits your needs, then tap and hold it to place it on your home screen. After placing it, you may be asked to select a task list or configure what the widget should display. Choose your preferred list or view and confirm. Now your TickTick widget will appear on your home screen, showing your tasks, reminders, or quick add options depending on the widget type. You can resize the widget by long pressing it and dragging the edges to adjust how much space it takes on your screen. If you want to remove or change the widget, simply long press it and select Remove or Adjust settings anytime. For the best performance, make sure battery optimization is turned off for TickTick so the widget updates properly in real time. And that's how to use TickTick widgets on Android. Yeah, widgets are a simple way to stay on top of your tasks without even opening the app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.